Tapi Pening pun malas tau dia cakap. Dia, duk mai sini, mai duk sini, mai duk sini, mari duduk sini. Sepatutnya. Malas tu cakap. Mai duduk sini. Semua SMS. abang apa cakap abang? Yang cakap apa? Any comment?
Segaman.
I think it's a very good place for photographers yang into photography, landscape photography. They have lots of photo opportunities. The landscape is beautiful with a backdrop of the Italian Alps, and over there is actually the Dolomites is being blocked, and the scenery is just amazing, you know, the architecture, the local architecture, and the setting of the village is just wonderful. It's amazing. Cantik.
Well, it's an excellent place, beautiful place. It's not that cold for winter. It's bearable and beautiful landscape. I would say it's worth it to make this trip.
Pertama kali mengalami pengalaman yang sangat tidak boleh dilupakan bila saya mendaki menuju dekat kawasan Dolomiti bersalji sehingga saya terjatuh sebab saya bukan yang suka hiking. Tiba-tiba saya mengikuti pengalaman macam ni, saya rasa sangat best.
The opportunity of doing some trekking yesterday. It was my first time. It was good. It was a good experience for me, and I think I should recommend for people who loves trekking and do a little bit of mountain trekking and hiking. I think they should come here. It's beautiful, You know, as you walk, you stop, take a deep breath and enjoy the view. Or if you're a photographer, your hobby is photography, there are lots of opportunities for you to just go snap, 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 snap every second.
Yes, this is my first time with lots of snow around, and trekking pun okay the first time. But then memang susah lah trekking on the snow, but then luckily I'm prepared with good shoes, jadi it's not a problem at all.